Welcome back to CAD is Adda, where we help mechanical CAD engineers elevate their skills and careers. Today, we are diving into something every CAD designer should know: the power of Python in CAD, why it matters, what it entails, and how you can thrive in it. Let's get started. Ever felt like you are trapped in an infinite loop of clicking the same buttons in your CAD software? You open the same files, tweak the same parameters, and rename the same parts again and again. You start wondering, am I a CAD designer or just a very expensive human macro? Well, my friend, if you have ever wished for a magic button that does all those boring tasks for you, let me introduce you to the Python and CAD. And no, I don't mean a snake that slithers into your CAD software, though that would make meetings more exciting. Why should you care about Python in CAD? Repetitive tasks in CAD software are like watching paint dry, except the paint charges you by the hour. Whether you are renaming hundreds of components, exporting multiple drawings, or generating complex geometries, Python can automate all of it. Think of it like having a personal assistant, but instead of a person, it's a few lines of code that will work 24 bars a minute without coffee breaks. Yeah, unlike some people. What can Python do in CAD? The list is long, but here are the game changing things Python can do in CAD work. Automate repetitive tasks, rename parts, update drawings, and batch process files, generate complex geometries, create parametric models without breaking a sweat, data extraction and reporting, pull BOMs, dimensions, and properties into structured reports, simulation and analysis, run calculations and optimize designs without manual input, integration with other tools, link CAD with Excel, databases, or even AI models. And if you are really smart, you can even program it to send emails to your boss, updating them on your hard work while you sip coffee. And how can you start using Python in CAD? Step 1: choose your CAD software and API. Autodesk Inventor, PyAutoCAD, Inventor API, SolidWorks, SolidWorks API with Python, Fusion 360. Fusion 360's Python script. Don't panic. Just pick the software you use the most and check if it has a Python API. Step 2: learn the basics of Python. Variables, loops, and functions. Trust me, it's easier than debugging a messy assembly constraint. Or you can just copy paste some stack overflow. Step 3: write your first script. Boom, you just have automated boring CAD task. Imagine doing this across hundreds of files. Question is, will you keep clicking button like medieval scribe, or will you harness the power of Python to work smarter, not harder? Work hard? Nah, let's Python do it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights on mastering your career as a mechanical CAD designer. Have questions or want me to cover more specific topics? Drop them in comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye.